Hello babies, welcome back to another IGTV. Today I'm bringing you this special video because it was highly requested and I know that you have a lot of questions about dermaplaning at home. So today, while I am doing my dermaplaning here in front of you, I'm gonna answer all those questions and of course I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to do it. Today I'm gonna use my Hollywood Browzer. This is gonna be the first time I'm gonna use this, so we're gonna try it together. I heard a lot of good things about it, so I'm really excited to try it. The first thing you have to do is clean your face. You have to be sure it's really clean and dry. Now we're gonna start with our Hollywood Browzer. Just have to unfold it. You have to place it like 45-degree angle like this. Wow, like you can see it from there. Put it here. So I am done. We finished. You can see all the peach fuzz and the dead skin we took off. It's amazing. I love it. I'm gonna go to the last step, third step, and really important to do these guys at home after you finish your dermaplaning. You have to use a really good moisturizer. The first thing that I have to say is that I love my Hollywood Browzer. It's really good. And what I like about this one is that you can clean it with alcohol. You can use it again and you can fold it back. I'm not gonna fold it back because I need to clean it first. Also, I love my microfiber puff from Hollywood Browzer, where you can put like all the skin and the peach fuzz that you're taking off. And what I love is that it's machine washable. I like to do this like every 2 or 3 weeks. It depends on how fast your peach fuzz is growing, how often you have to change your browser. And you can change it like every 3 to 4 months. It depends on how often you use it, and also because you start feeling like the blade is not working as it has to. I'm going to show you, look over here. It's clean. I don't have any peach fuzz anymore, and also you are gonna see changes on your skin too. Some of the major concerns that you ask me is that if I feel that my hair, or if I see if my hair is growing thicker or darker, and the answer is no. Like, this procedure doesn't change the physiology of your hair, so it doesn't make sense that it's gonna grow thicker or darker. My peach fuzz is the same as 4 years ago when I started doing this procedure, so that's the answer. This is how your skin is gonna look after you do this procedure. It's super soft, and obviously we took everything off. It's amazing. Before I finish with this video, I did my makeup because I really want to show you how smooth and flawless my skin is looking. Your makeup is gonna look so different and great after dermaplaning, so I love it. Okay, my love, so that was it for today, and if you have more questions, don't forget to comment down here on this IGTV and I will reply as soon as possible. I love you so much, and thank you for being here on another video with me. Bye!